Fishbone stitch is a filling stitch that makes perfect leaves. I'll show you 3 kinds of fishbone stitch. Come up through the top of the middle line and make short straight stitch into the middle line. Come up through the right and make diagonal stitch crossing the central line. Come up through the left line and overlap both previous stitches. And continue until you feel the leaf shape. It's basically straight stitches overlapping each other. The goal is to keep the direction consistent. Place thread on fabric to see where the needle should go and make a stitch. If you can see fabric between the stitches, make one more, ending it under the overlapping stitches. Continue making stitches until you feel the shape, but don't go out of it. And the last stitch. So it's a leaf made with fishbone stitch. But what about raised fishbone stitch? Let's make it. Start by making stitch on the middle line. Come up through the right line and overlap the middle line. Finishing stitch into the left line. Choose the angle for your stitches and go down. Same here. Once you reach the ends of previous stitches, continue doing the same, just overlap them. I'm running out of thread. Don't forget to secure it each time. Slide under stitches on the back. Classic fishbone stitch on the left, raised fishbone on the right. But is it possible to use more colors and different shape? Yes. Prepare 3 lines, drawing the middle line and starting to see where the right and left line are. Make short straight stitch in the middle line. Right side is going to be green. And left side is going to be yellow. Pick up the second needle and thread second color of floss. The rest is the same, overlap stitches. To stop a knot, pull the thread up and it will untie. Closer to an end, follow the shape. You won't be overlapping stitches, make diagonal satin stitches. Shapes can be different, imagine this circle or triangle, for example. How I use it in my embroideries. For the first scene pattern I made leaves with fishbone stitch and added some split stitches to create leaf veins. In the garden bee and butterfly I used fishbone stitch 2, and this is fishbone stitch and this is 2. And it's also fishbone stitch with changing angle, since the middle line here is shorter than side lines. Girl and leaves pattern. The base for these leaves is fishbone stitch. I love how you can make one stitch look completely different. Tiger in the jungle pattern, also fishbone stitches. Flowers pattern, 2-3 colors and small leaves. experiment, combine stitches to get new unique look. And I'll leave links to my patterns in the description. If you want to be the first to see my new videos, become my patron. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video!